Good morning. Here, our today's video lecture, it is related with a very important topic. The topic covers 2 marks according to CBSE question papers blueprint, and from this topic you can see MCQs are coming out from these different attributes that we correlate with the series, right? Here, our today's topic is attributes of series object. You see, you have created the series with different aspects. You create the series by using list, then array, then dictionary, then scalar value, then this ND array also. So here, once you know how to create a series, now the second topic that is related to the series, it is different attributes that are related with the series object, right? What are these different attributes? If you are going to count it, there are 10 different series attributes that we can use with the series object. Just keep in mind, students, suppose these 10 attributes are there, and if you want to execute, if you want to run any one attribute out of these, you just use the series object. Just print. Suppose my series name is SCR1. Clear? I have created the series by using list. Now I want to apply any attribute on the series object. So very first I use this STR1, the name of the series, and then just use dot operator, point symbol, and just write any of this attribute. Suppose index attribute. So here series dot index. Just say how you can execute these attributes on your Python pandas, right? Just write print command. You can use the attribute with the print command, and also you can store the attribute value in a variable also, such as like this on the second type, a equal to str1, it is my series object, and then I just apply dot and n bytes, right? These are the two different uses of the attribute of the series. Either you can use the series attribute with the print command, or you can store the attribute value in a variable also. Clear? So, what are these 10 different attributes? Just listen it carefully. The very first and very most common attribute is series dot index. Index attribute here. Series dot means you have to replace the series word by your series object variable name. Just see str1. My series object variable name is str1. So instead of writing series, I just write str1 dot index. Clear? By this approach, you can use these attributes in your programming. So very first and very common attribute is index attribute. What it can do for you? If you use this index attribute with your series variable, with your series object, it will show the index values on the monitor, right? Suppose it is a series number 2, here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, these are the index values, and 2, 4, 6, NA and 10, these are the data items of the series. So when you use str1.index, the index position, or we can say the index values that are there on the monitor. Clear? To show the index values only from the series, we use index attribute, right? The similar attribute is values. Just say series dot values. These two different attributes are there. First is the number first position, and the second it is number 10 position, values. It will show only data part of the series, right? Just say series. If you print the series is a combination of index and values, right? ये तो मालूम है ना सबको, index as well as values. Now जब भी आप series print करोगे, both these terms they appear with each other. They appear togetherly, right? Now if you want to separate the index value, you want to see the index value only, just use str.index. This index position, this index values are there on the monitor, only index value. Now if I write str, what is my series object? It is ser2, right? So I just write print ser2 dot values. values, it is a plural term. तो कंप्यूटर क्या प्रिंट करेगा? Just check it out. The output should be 2, 4, 6, NaN, NaN. The full form of NaN is not a number, right? NaN, it is the attribute of numpy, right? It is the object of numpy library. So when you use SCR2 dot values, computer will generate the data part, computer will show the data part of the series only. Just check the output, right? Now instead of that, if I use this command, just see, I use print. Here 3 different series are there on the monitor. Series 1, series 2 and series 3, right? Suppose series 3, this one, I want to show the index position on index values only. So I just use SCR, the name of the series variable SCR3 dot index, right? Just check the output of this attribute. When you execute the line, computer will generate A, then here it is B, then here it is C, then D type, data type of the index, it is object. It will be the output of this particular concept. Index means only index values are there. Values means only data elements, data items are there on the monitor. Clear? So I hope these 2 attributes, you understood about these 2 attributes. Clear? Now we will shift on the shape attribute, SHAPE, shape. Shape means what? अब series की shape क्या होती है? Shape means in a series, how many data items are there? Either they are empty or they are NaN. Computer सारा को count कर लेगा. How many total number of elements are there in a series? It is known as the shape of the series. So, what is the shape of series 2? Right? Very first, before we talk about these attributes, very first, one sample program is there on the monitor. On the board, not on the monitor. Just check this sample program. पहले तो हम ये देखते हैं सीरीज कैसी बनती है. फास्टली एक बार रिवीजन करते हैं. Then हम वापस इस पे शिफ्ट होंगे. Now, if you want to create a series, the very first line it is common. Import pandas as PD. बार बोल रहा हूँ, आधा नंबर आज से चला जाएगा. नहीं लिखोगे तो एक लाइन लिखोगे, आधा आ जाएगा. Then the second line, it is also compulsory in some we can say programs. The second line is import numpy as np, pandas library. You just import the panda library with your program. Numpy, it is also a library. It is known as numerical Python. You just import the numerical Python with import. का मतलब क्या है? Import मतलब ये जो 2 libraries है, each and every function that are there in that library, you are going to include all these functions with your Python program. Right? It is the meaning of import. Now just see here the third line. If you want to create a series, the command is pd.series. S is capital here. Just check it out here. The series bracket, it is vacant, it is empty. Means you are not providing any data item to the series, so we can say it is an empty series. Clear? आप बना सकते हो. इसका भी 1 नंबर का क्वेश्चन आता है, how to create empty series in Python. Just see the command. Series 1, it is the series variable SCR1. Then here's PD, pandas, shortcut of panda. Then dot series, and if you put the bracket vacant, empty, then it is known as empty series. It looks like this one. Just see SCR1. Right? ये मैंने print command दिया, देखो नीचे. Just see print SCR1. So this is vacant. केवल एक लाइन कंप्यूटर शो करेगा series empty, comma, data type is float 62. Yes, for each and every empty series, the data type is float 64 if you execute Python in a Windows based operating system. Clear? So here, now just check it out. The second line of the program SCR2 क्या हो रहा है, कोई अपने चेक करके बताएगा. What is this one? pd.series means it is a series creation command. Here in this series creation, I supply the data part only. Just see, with the series variable, you can supply a data, you can supply index with data, and you can supply data type also with the data part. Data, index, data type. Right? You can skip the data type part, you can skip the index part. But if you put the data part, just see, only data is there 2, 4, 6, np dot nan, oh here nan should be capital. NN means not a number, it is there in NP, NP means numpy. NN comma 10 means I supply data part only, no index, no data type. Just see what is the output of the series 2. If I not supply the index, computer take the default index, it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the default index positions. Right, computer started from 0 and then continuously with +1 +1 +1. ये कब आता है? जब आप इंडेक्स वैल्यू नहीं देते हो तो कंप्यूटर बाय डिफॉल्ट लेगा 0 1 2 3 4. Right, so here series 2 2 4 6 NaN 10. Just see 2 4 6 NaN 10. NaN not a number, N is capital. Then 10. Clear? टोटल इंडेक्स आ 0 1 2 3 4. ये प्रिंट हुआ SCR2 सीरीज, ये बनी. नाउ जस्ट चेक द थर्ड लाइन SCR3. व्हाट इज देयर इन SCR3? PD dot series, the same command. Here this is the data part. क्या दिया मैंने डेटा? 4.2 18.6 24.3. तीन डेटा एलिमेंट डेटा आइटम मैंने सप्लाई किए. दिस इज द डेटा पार्ट. देन कॉमा then index equal to, it is the index part. अब क्या होगा? अगर आपने अपना इंडिविजुअल इंडेक्स दे दिया तो कंप्यूटर 0 1 2 3 4 वो वाला इंडेक्स अप्लाई नहीं करेगा. नाउ कंप्यूटर इज रिस्ट्रिक्टेड टू गिव योर इंडेक्स वैल्यूज टू द सीरीज. इंडेक्स हो जाएगा कि A B C and here it is the series 3. Just check the output of series 3 SCR3. Value, first value 4.2, it is there. Second value 18.6, it is also there. Third value 24.3, it is also there. Now just check the index position A B C. अगर ये मैं A B C हटा देता तो क्या होता सोचो. Right? So these are the three series developed by this program code. Just pause the screen. Just see each and every line of the program and just match that one with the output of that program. It is the output of the following program. Clear? Now come towards the different attributes that are related with the series. We discussed about index attribute. Right? Just say now shape. What is the meaning of shape? Shape means, suppose I apply this shape attribute with this SCR2 variable, SCR2 dot shape. Shape. What will happen? It will generate the overall shape, overall size of the series in tuple format. Tuple means a small bracket. So the output over here, the computer is going to count total elements. 1 2 3 4 5. Total 5 elements are there, and the output of this one is like this in the tuple formation. It is the tuple, a small bracket with comma. Clear? Series 2. Now what will happen if I use the same thing? Print SCR3 dot shape. What will happen now? What is the shape of series 3? Just count the element. Either they are empty or they are NaN or they are missing values. Just count each and everything. 1 2 3. So here the output shape of the series is 3. Clear? And if you apply the same shape attribute with the series 1, series 1 तो क्या है? Empty है, कुछ है ही नहीं. क्या फिर होगा? 0. Right? So we have done this shape attribute. Now just come to this D-type attribute. This attribute tells you that what is the data type of your series object. Right? Just see here this. If the series is empty, the data type is float 64. Just check this series to integer. Then this one. So the data type of this series is integer 64. Right? Here decimal values are there. Decimal values means the data type of this series is float 64. So if you use this command, print SCR3 dot D type, data type, DTYPE type, this one. ये attribute होते हैं. You have to add this attribute with the series object. ऐसे use करना आपको. Series dot D type. अब series 3 का data type क्या है? The series 3 data data type is float. FLOAT float 64, it will be there on the monitor. Clear? So it is the data type attribute. Now see what is there is the size attribute. Size and shape both are somehow similar terms. When you are going to calculate the shape of the series, computer क्या कर रहा है? Computer is going to count total number of data elements that are there in the series. ये इसने count किया देखो shape, and it will generate a tuple in front of you on the monitor. But if you use size attribute, तो size क्या करता है? It will not generate the tuple, it will generate a single value. देखो difference here, print ser2 dot size. पहले मैंने shape यूज किया था, now ser2 dot size. कंप्यूटर क्या शो करेगा? It will generate 5. ये इसमें और इसमें डिफरेंस क्या है? Here 5 is in the tuple notation. Here 5 is in the variable or in the constant notation. आप इस 5 को किसी भी वेरिएबल में डाल सकते हो, यूज कर सकते हो. Output is same 5 5, but it is there in the tuple. It is there in the simple constant. Clear? Same way, अगर आप ser3 dot size, if you apply this command, तो generate क्या होगा? Single 3 only. Right? Only 3, not there in the tuple formation. So it is the size attribute of the series. Generally, if we talk, shape and size both do the same thing. Both calculate the series object. Both count the data items that are there in the series. Shape attribute shows the output in the tuple format, whereas size attribute shows the output in the constant in the digit format. This is the difference only. Clear? Now the next thing, series dot empty. This attribute, very first thing keep in mind, this empty attribute shows either true or false on the monitor. Only true or false. Just see, if I use this attribute with my 3 different series, what will happen? Just check it out. Empty. If the series is empty, if the series is blank, then the result is true. If the series has some data items, then the output is false. By empty तो है ही नहीं, it means false. So just check it out. मैं एक काम करता हूँ, मैं print की command लगाता हूँ, print ser1 dot empty, comma, right? ser1 dot empty, comma, ser2, this is the series 2 dot empty. ये मैं print के साथ use कर लेता हूँ. Now print है, it means something is there on the monitor. क्या आएगा monitor पे? Monitor पे मेरे सामने लिखा हुआ है true, false. कैसे आया भाई? एक तो आया true, दूसरा आया false. कैसे? Here with the print command I supply 2 different printing option. ser1 dot empty, computer is going to check that the series 1 is vacant, it is empty. So here the result is true for the ser1 dot empty. The result false, it is related with ser2 dot empty. Just check the series 2, it is not empty. So here the result is false. Clear? So it is the empty attribute of the series. Now the most common and most we can say applicable in the advanced programming, that is the has NaNs attribute. What is the full form? Has is the English word. NaN, not a number. As it is the plural term, not a numbers. Clear? Has NaN. अगर किसी सीरीज में, if any series contains NaN value, then the result of this one, it is true. ये भी true false में result देता है. Clear? And if a series does not have any NaN, just check these two series. Series 2, यहाँ पे NaN available है, not a number is there in the series. Where if you check the series 3, 4.2, 18.6, 24.3, 3 data items are there. Here no NaN is there. तो अब ये has NaN function, if I execute on series 2, क्या होगा? Print ser2 dot has NaNs. क्या आना है रिजल्ट? NaN is there in the series, एन नॉट अ नंबर है, यहाँ पे रिजल्ट आ जाएगा ट्रू। क्लियर? अगर यही मैं यूज करूं विद दिस SCR2 3 object, SCR3 dot has NaNs, रिजल्ट आ जाएगा false. SCR3 does not have any not a number attribute, whereas SCR2 it has a not a number attribute. ये it is covered. Now the next one, n bytes. n bytes से पहले we just do this item size. ये पहले करते हैं. Then we will shift on the n byte. N byte means number of bytes a series, the number of bytes that contained by a series. एक series ने कितने bytes occupy किए, it is known as n bytes, number of bytes. But before that we have to know about item size, right? Item size attribute refers to the size of each and every item of the series in byte. The size of each and every item, or we can say the size of a single item of a series in bytes, right? Just check this one here. 2 is the integer value. According to Windows it is integer 64 value. Integer 64 variable is of 8 byte size. The size of integer 64, it is 8 byte. It occupy 8 byte space in your computer's memory. Each and every item 8 byte, 8 byte, 8 byte, 8 byte, 8 byte. Done. Now float 64, it is also of a 8 bytes variable. हर value, each and every data item 8 byte, 8 byte, 8 byte, it is float 64, right? Now the item size function, it tells you about the size of a single item of the series in a byte. तो अभी मैं अगर ये यूज करूं print SCR3 डॉट आइटम साइज, क्या आएगा? 8 मेरे सामने आएगा, बिकॉज द आइटम साइज ऑफ द सीरीज 3 ऑब्जेक्ट इट इज 8 बाइट अकॉर्डिंग टू विंडो. फ्लोट 64, ईच एंड एवरी आइटम इज ऑफ 8 बाइट. इंटीजर 64, ईच एंड एवरी आइटम ऑफ 8 बाइट. सो इट इज देयर ऑन द मॉनिटर. डन. नाउ इफ आई यूज दिस कमांड print SCR3 dot n bytes. N bytes means number of bytes, right? SCR3 series ने कितने number of byte memory में occupy किए, it is the concept, right? For that just calculate every item of 8 byte. So there are 3 items in this series, means 8 into 3, क्या result आएगा? 24. Total occupancy of the series 3 inside the computer's memory, it will occupy 24 bytes in the computer's memory. अगर इसको यहाँ पे कैलकुलेट करते हो 8 into 5, 40 bytes in the computer's memory. लिया? So it is known as number of bytes. Now the last function, it is last attribute, it is ndim. Dim means dimension. 1D, 2D, 3D, 4D. If your series contain one data column only, it is one dimensional series में तो यही होता है. Series is the one dimensional structure only. And जैसे dimension बढ़ेगा, now it is not a series, it is the data frame. Data frame is multi-dimensional object or two-dimensional object, right? So here, if you apply this ndim attribute with the series, किसी भी series के साथ apply करो, it will generate one result only, right? Because each and every series is of one dimension only, right? कैसे आता है result? Just check it out. Just see. I use this print command. Print SCR2 dot. The function is ndim. ndim dim. Here the result is 1. इसी के साथ use करो. If you use this SCR3 dot ndim, again the result is 1. SCR1 dot ndim, again the result is 1. Series is a one-dimensional structure. Right? So here, by this we cover all the attributes of the series, and I am telling you student, 2 marks are reserved for this video lecture only. Right? Any one question out of these 10 series attribute may be there in the question paper. Just keep in mind. Yes, I am going to post short notes also related with the series object, related with the attributes of the series object. Right? Thank you. Thank you very much.